Here is a locating source almost nobody thinks of, and it works precisely because of that. Hunting and fishing licenses are issued by state wildlife agencies. They require identification and a residential address, and in most states, they must be renewed annually. That annual cycle makes them fresher than a great many records that only update when someone moves or gets sued. They are especially valuable for a subject who is otherwise hard to reach. Someone rural, someone who rents, someone with no property and no professional license, someone paid in cash. That person may still buy a license every single season because it is required to do something they care about. Resident versus non-resident status is informative on its own, since residency claims require a durable address in the state. Access rules vary widely, and many states restrict release, so this is a source that must be worked lawfully rather than scraped. Our research team knows which jurisdictions permit what. If you want more genuinely useful methods like this, please like and subscribe. Order your search at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.